Welcome to Nurse 272, Geriatric Nursing. This is an introduction to gerontological nursing. Our objectives for today is to define ageism. We will also look at misconceptions about older adults. We'll describe the characteristic of today's older population in regards to life expectancy, marital status, living arrangements, income and employment, and health status. The aging population here in America, for the first time, there will be more older adults living than younger adults. It is estimated that by 2030, there will be approximately 70 million people living over the age of 65. Ageism, the prejudice and stereotypes that are applied to older people sheerly on the basis of their age. Misconception. Older people are sick and disabled. This is a misconception. Not all old people are sick and disabled. We have older people that are living very active lives and are free of disabilities. Most old people are in nursing home. This is a misconception. Most older people are living in their home. Dementia comes with old age. Again, this is a misconception. Old age is not a normal part of aging. People are either very tranquil or very cranky as they age. This is a misconception. Your personality does not change as you get older in the absence of a disease process. Older people have lower intelligence and are resistant to change. This is a misconception. If you had a high IQ when you were a younger person, you will still have that same level of intelligence as you get older, as long as it's in the absence of a disease process. Old people are not able to have sexual intercourse and not interested in sex. This is a misconception. The older population, they are interested in having sex, and they still participate in intimacy. Today's older population life expectancy, it is expected that men are going to live less time than women. Men live to be 70 and a half years of age. Women are expected to live to be 72 years of age. Marital status, there are more older men that are married and older women that are not married, that are living single. And part of the reason for this is because older men tend to marry younger women. Living arrangements. Older people are living in their homes or in retirement center. Income and employment. Most older people are living off of a retirement or Social Security. If they are working, they're working part-time jobs. I have found that the older population seems to be cash poor, but asset rich. They own their home, they own their cars, so they do have assets. Health status. If they are sick, they are living with multiple disease processes, something that we call comorbidities. They have comorbidities occurring. The disease itself is usually a chronic disease as well. And diversity. There is a diverse group of older adults living here in America, a vast diversity amongst the older population.